Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at these airbrushes from Gaahleri. Gaahleri is a brand new company from China. Check out the Amazon store link in my description below. And don't forget to use my discount code for all the airbrush you purchase and you get 10% off. Each package is sealed with a manufacturer sticker. These are the dual action airbrushes, the Advanced series, GHAD 39 and 68, and the A series, GHAC 98D. The GHAD 39 and 68 both have a removable paint cup with capacity of 1/2 and 1/4 ounce size. They both comes with 2 needle and nozzle sizes. The GHAD 39 comes with a 0.35 and 0.5, and the 68 has a 0.38 and 0.5. These are the Teflon's O-rings replacement for the nozzles if wear out. A tube of airbrush lubrication. And there's an entire layout of this airbrush, explaining every component. These airbrushes also feature a quick self-centering drop-in nozzle structure. These 8 micro air channels help direct airflow over the nozzle tip, making it much easier to clean and less clogging to help atomize the paint better. With this cutaway handle, when the needle is clogged, you can just pull the trigger all the way back and pull the locking nut even further back, and it will blast all the paint out from the tip. And you can also use the same way with the airbrush cleaner. This GHAD 68 looks very different from all other airbrushes that I've used before, and it took me some time to get used to the grip. If you have watched my other videos, you will know that my hands are much bigger than average girls, and this bulky pistol grip is perfect for me. These Advanced series airbrushes are suitable for beginners and intermediate users. They are inexpensive and affordable if you do not wish to invest too much for the hobby. But I gotta show you my favorite one. This A series GHAC 98D is an upgrade version of a GHAD 39. It features higher polish standards for the cup, needle, and nozzle. And each GHAC 98D would go through an individual testing before leaving the factory to ensure excellent fine line capability and atomization. You may wonder why this GHAC 98D costs a lot more than the other ones. and based on what I read online, the nozzle and needles are constructed from cutting-edge materials and produced using a more advanced methods. And the needle is made in a high durability material that can even self-recover under slight bending conditions. Out of all these airbrushes we look at today, this GHAC 98D is my favorite. It is very smooth when it sprays. All these airbrushes have a control knob that can limit how far you can pull back. I think it's good for beginners if they want to prevent from spraying too much. I hope Gaahleri could make a 0.2 airbrush because I think it's better for smaller part shadings. Hope you liked my review today, and don't forget to use my discount code when you purchase your airbrush. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And you're also welcome to leave your thoughts down in the comment section below. See you in the next one.